Hey guys, Bubby here. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation by Rihanna and Fenty Beauty. Stay with me and I'll let you guys know how the review goes. Let's get into it. Okay, so I did already test out this powder last night. Now, I didn't leave it on for like ages. I left it on for just a little bit. Just to know like how it was wearing or whatever. I really liked it. I already moisturized my face. Alright, it says the coverage is medium, the finish is matte, and the formula is a pressed powder, which is really great. Alright, the powder delivers a non-cakey, blurred finish with no flashback, buildable light to full coverage. Formula loves to be layered without setting into the fine lines or clogged looking pores, which is really amazing. Also sweat, humidity, and crease resistant, plus it's crease resistant, sorry. It has 50 shades, which is really amazing. I think everybody will be able to find their shade, which is really awesome. Alright, it is also vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and see what the reviews say. 92% said would recommend, which is really awesome. Alright, let's get into it. So the shade that I am in 120 neutral, because I really couldn't find a yellow shade like how my skin tone kind of is. So yeah, since I did say I already did use it, so this is what it typically looks like. The F and the B is kind of messed up for now because of, I went in with it, but it's really pretty. It does come with its own little oh gosh, kind of like a beauty blender thing down here. It's really good. I think this is one of those where, okay, it's very small for being $36. I have really tiny hands, so it is very small for being $36. I think they should make it just a little bit bigger for what you're paying for. $36 for me is a lot of money. I am not super rich, so I can not afford products like this like just daily. But whatever. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started with it. So the primer that I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. I've already used this a few times. It's a pretty good primer. I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with that. It's kind of a tackier primer, which it is the newer one that e.l.f. just came out with. I don't know, would you guys like to see a review on the new CC cream that they came out with? I mean, I do have it. I have been wanting to do a review on it. I just keep forgetting because I get busy, with my work schedule and yada. But let me know if you guys would want to see that. Yeah, it's very tacky, and if you don't like those type of primers, then I wouldn't recommend this primer at all, because this is very tacky. See, when I go like this, see, it really sticks to my hand, which I'm a fan of those primers, because that means that your foundation is going to stay on all day. Now, because I do have a little bit of redness, I am going to take just the smallest amount of concealer and kind of conceal some of my red parts. By the way, this is all natural lighting. I do not have any filters going on or whatever. This is just what my skin looks like right now. Alrighty, I got my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish, which I really like this. So I'm going to be putting this just on my blemishes. Okay, now I'm just going to be blending that out with a flat brush. Which this is, it just says Morphe brush. It doesn't say the number on it, which is really weird because I think it's an old brush. See, and you don't have to use a lot. Look how much it already covered. I shouldn't have even used that much. Now I'm looking like a damn fool because I don't have it on the rest of my face. So, and my biggest problem issue with the dry spots with foundations is that my skin shows up so well. If there's anything that's dry on my skin, it's just like, oh, here we go. And it really sucks. Like, I did not mean to use that much. It's just so full coverage. Now, that is a concealer that you definitely need if you don't want to spend a lot of money. I think it's like $6 or so. I'll have it in the link description below, you know, yada yada yada, all that stuff. Alrighty, now I am gonna go in with the Fenty primer. Oh my gosh, the Fenty Pro Filter. Now, and the brush that I'm going to be taking is a Morphe E1 brush. It is a huge packing brush. I don't know if you can see it. It's just, it's very fluffy and big. And all that I'm doing is just tapping it right into the pan. I'm gonna get a bigger mirror. Just so I can see what the rest of it looks like. There you go. I got my Milani Gilded Gold palette going on here. It already looks really good already. Now, this is one of those products that I know it says light, medium to buildable coverage, but I'm just going to say it's going to be a light to medium. I'm going to show you what it looks like up close. Because yes, you can still see a little bit of the scarring that I have on my temples, because I typically get more acne up there, so it doesn't, I think it is beautiful on a day that you just want to get up and go and not put much on, which is what I'm going to be doing today, because I haven't been feeling like wanting to be super glamorous, so yeah. I think it's really nice if you go like that. It doesn't come off on your face, which is amazing. It's definitely transfer proof, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on it. I'll see you later. Hey guys, I'm back. So I've been having like a closer look up on what this looks like. This looks so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see, but oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Like, okay, like I know it looks like it's dry, but it's actually not. And it's so nice. Like, look at that. And by the way, don't come for me because I have zits and scars and stuff. We're all normal. I think it looks really nice. This is all in natural lighting, by the way. I think it's really nice. So I finished up all my makeup. If you guys would like to know what I'm wearing, just leave a comment below and I will definitely tell you what I am using. So it is now 2 o'clock, so I will be having this on until 10 p.m. So typically like 8 hours or 7 hours or somewhere around there. Then I'll get back with you guys on what the makeup look looks like. It might be a little bit different because I am going to be recording it on my phone. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. So it is now, oh god, I'm going to say just about 10 o'clock. So I've been having this on for 8 hours. And it is a little bit greasy on my forehead, as you can see. And my mascara completely got all under me right here and right over there. For the foundation though, I don't know if anybody else has a problem with their nose like me, but it doesn't matter. Like, it stayed on my cheek, like my cheeks and my forehead, but my nose is just like goodbye, disappeared. So like even in the cracks of my nose, it came off of my nose completely. Probably because I'm constantly going like that, which could have been it. And I also let my dog lick my nose as well, so that could have been it. But as far as that, it has been doing good. This is with no touch-ups, which I don't like to do if I'm doing a first impression like today. I typically don't like doing powdering over it. I like to let people know what it looks like throughout the whole day so you can know what you're going to look like. But typically I would definitely powder regularly. I just didn't today because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. And I hope you guys got to see what it exactly looked like. Yeah, my lips all bloody. I have such a bad habit of biting my lips all the time, so. And it came off a little bit on my chin. But as for my forehead and stuff, I look like a hot mess right now. I need to take this off. I've been wearing it for like 8+ hours. So I'm going to go ahead and see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I see you people that are not subscribing, but you're watching my video. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye.